Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLSA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the crazy day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So first off, just to summarize today's price movement, basically a gap and trap, but a tricky gap and trap because it really depends on where you bought, because the price was down here, so it's not like it gapped up and then came all the way back down to where it was on Wednesday, but it's tricky because the price gapped up right there, hence the word gap up. And then after there, the price moved higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. And then that's where things finally got cool. So I'm not saying there was no tradable opportunities in this one to make money, but my point here is after the price got up around here, it's like somebody pulled the rug and right back down the price went relatively quickly. But again, did it drop all the way back down to like $4.25? No, but it's still a very rough day. So I'm going to stick with it as a gap and trap because relatively speaking from a whole where the most of the volume went. So, you look right here at this big volume candle, and the lowest that volume candle ever was right there. And given that the price closed down below that volume, that means all these people that were buying on that volume candle right now are underwater. So, it was a rough day any way you look at it, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but rough days like this can lead to some pretty interesting snapback type movements because all of a sudden the price can just all of a sudden improve itself a little bit more, and then you get, follow-up momentum. So the levels of resistance that I'm very curious about to see if they can break next week are first off $7.50, and then if $7.50 can be broken, next key level right up there at $8.85. And if these levels are broken, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's going to go back up to $12, but that definitely could reignite some momentum, reignite some interest in the stock, and get things moving once again. So overall, a bizarre gap and trap today, but it's presented an interesting opportunity that's worth at least keeping an eye on next week. So we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.